Hello, welcome to Investment Graphs. It's the 11th of October 2014. Today I'm going to talk about the FTSE100 index, and in particular I'm going to show three graphs to highlight a recent breakdown that I've detected in this stock index. The first graph, and I'm gonna show today, it's the FTSE100 trading for the last 20 years thereabouts. I've drawn up two different lines, as we can see here. The first one coming from the highs of 1990, sort of 9 or so, and just before the tech bust, the technology bubble bust. We can see it was also tested here in the highs of 2007 before the financial crisis of 2008, and finally was broken through to the upside in the last sort of couple of years. So in 2013, when it was actually finally making new highs, and early this year actually tested as a new support line. However, that line is now being broken to the downside, again, as we can see here. Okay. The other line I wanna show, it's here. Is the line that started in the lows of 2009. Support there, again, was new support sort of 2011, 2012, several times. So since the loss of 2009, the support line had been valid all throughout until now. We can see how the index is broken through that line to the downside. Interesting fact, when these two lines crossed, in that particular time that it took place over here, is when the FTSE100 index broke down. Okay. Second graph of today is also the FTSE100 index, again since 1995 thereabouts until present days. All the same two lines that I was referring to in the previous graph. In this case, we can see the cross took place early this year, so before. Okay. This is because in this case we're using a logarithmic scale, so what happens in the graph is slightly different, but we can see that the pattern is confirmed, how the index broke to the downside. This support line that had been valid since 2009 and is also now breaking to the downside of this line that had been support and early resistance. So both graphs, and the logarithmic and the previous graph, show the same breakdown. And this is my last graph of today. Again, the FTSE100 index shows trading since 1990 or even 1989. What I want to pay attention to here is at the sort of decline of the RSI since 1997 and thereabouts. We can see how it reached a peak here, and since then it's been descending. It touched this resistance line in sort of the highs of 2007. Touched that resistance line again earlier in the year. Okay, and there is also another line that's drawn up, which is this support line that came from the lows of 2009. It was validated on a couple of occasions in this area, but it's only now that support line is being broken to the downside. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think what I try to highlight here is an extremely important event. Those breakdowns of long-term support lines have usually strong connotations, so I hope this is useful. On my side, I will keep sharing my research and insights with you. Please feel free to make any comments or suggestions. You are very welcome to do so, and if you do enjoy my videos and channel, I would encourage you to subscribe, and just to ensure that you are not missing any of the videos that I post. So thank you very much.